This demonstration is going to show you how to use Excel to organize data values into tables. In general, Excel is used to create items which are then copied and pasted into a Word document. So also open a Word document. I prefer to format a Word document with no spacing, and then also press Enter a few times to allow lots of room to put in a table or other typing. This Excel file already has 30 data values entered in. You can simply type your information into the cells. First, we're going to sort the data from low to high. Select all of the cells. Then go to the Sort and Filter feature and click on Sort Smallest to Largest. Now you can see the data values are in order from low to high. We're going to make a table that fits nicely into a Word document. There's 30 data values, so we're going to create 3 columns of 10 data values. Select the first 10 values, copy them, and paste them into another portion of the Excel spreadsheet. Then copy the next 10 values. Again, copy and paste. Finally, select the last 10 values, copy, and paste. We're going to make it look a little bit nicer by putting borders around our new table. So select the entire table of 3 columns of 10 values and go to the Borders menu. Click on the drop-down and select All Borders. Now we can copy this new table and we're going to paste it into our Word document. We're going to put a heading at the top of the table. Place your cursor in the first row and notice that the table tools are highlighted, and go to Layout. We're going to insert a row above. While this row is highlighted, we can then merge the cells to create a single heading. This allows us to put a nice title on our table. We're also going to format the table by centering all the information. So now we've created a nice table for our Word document. We're going to go back to our Excel spreadsheet and work on a frequency distribution. With a low value of 11, a nice interval would start at 10. So we're going to create intervals with a width of 10. So we're going to go from 10 to 19 for our first interval. Excel thinks that's a date, but we're going to change that in a moment. Our next interval will be 20 to 29. Then we'll go from 30 to 39, and then 40 to 49. Simply press Enter each time you finish typing the interval. 50 to 59, and 60 to 69. And now we have enough intervals because our maximum value was 69. We need to fix this interval that looks like a date. So we're going to select all of our intervals and format the cells by right-clicking. We come down to the Format Cells feature, and we're just going to format our cells as text. Now we can click on our first cell where the interval was not correct and retype 10 to 19. So we're going to put a heading over that column and call that class interval. Don't worry that it appears to run into the next cell. It doesn't. We're going to click in the next cell and type in frequency. So we need to figure out how many values are between 10 and 19. Excel will count that for us. We come over and select all the values that would fit in. You can see down here that it counts that there's 7 of them. So that frequency is 7. Now we'll find the values from 20 to 29. The count is 4. From 30 to 39, we again have a count of 4. From 40 to 49, we have a count of 3. From 50 to 59, we have a count of 6. From 60 to 69, we have a count of 6 also. So now we've created our frequency distribution. We again want to put some nice borders around it. So we'll select the entire table, go up to the Borders menu, and because we already used that feature, we just click on it and it puts borders around the whole table. We can now copy it and paste it into our Word document. It'd be nice to have the first column a little bit wider so that the class interval doesn't take up 2 lines. So you can move the cursor until it grabs the middle bar and then gently slide that bar to the right, and now you can see that the information fits in there much better. We can again select the whole table and center all of the information by going up and clicking on Layout, and there's the centering icon. So now we've created a frequency distribution. I hope this helps you to create nice tables with Excel.